This is how to transfer crypto from Binance app to Mexc Global. So you're going to go to your Mexc Global app first, and then in the main dashboard, you're going to look at the bottom right corner where you have your wallets. So currently we're in overview. We're going to swipe to the left to see our spot. Here you can see the different cryptocurrencies that you may have, and we're going to select BTC. And because we want to transfer from Binance to our Mexc Global, we need to get the Bitcoin address here in our Mexc Global exchange. So we're going to select deposit, and here you get to select the network. We're going to select on Bitcoin, and then it's going to ask you to tap to generate address. So we're going to tap on it, and then you can see your QR code or your alphanumeric Bitcoin address for your Mexc Global exchange. We're going to copy it by clicking on the copy icon here in the extreme right of that line. And then now it's copied, we're going to go over to our Binance app. So here in the main dashboard, we're going to click on the bottom right where we have wallets. We're going to swipe to the left to get to spot. And here we have our Bitcoin. We're going to select it. And at the bottom, you can see withdraw and deposit. So we want to withdraw from Binance to our Mexc Global. So we're going to click on withdraw. We're going to select send via crypto network. And here we can paste the address we copied from our Mexc Global wallet. So we're going to have a long press, and when we paste it, the network will automatically be reflected. And then the withdrawal amount, we could put the amount we would like to, or we could select all of our Bitcoin that is here currently in this account. And the next thing to do is to click on withdraw, and that's going to take you to the next page where you get to confirm your transaction. This is the same process for any crypto you would like to transfer from Binance app to Mexc Global.